In the question, it is given that z minus 2 plus iota mod should be equal to or greater than root 5. One must remember that this reminds us of a circle. This can be changed as z2 minus I mod with this inequality. We can draw a circle. Center will be 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, and its radius will be root 5. Less than equal to or greater than means you have to take those points which are on this circle or outside this circle. Remember, on this circle or outside this circle. Now the next thing in the question is we have to take max 1 by z minus 1 mod. This means that mean z minus 1 mod. Suppose this is minimum on z naught minus 1. Remember, this is also a equation of a circle. This can be changed as z naught minus 1 plus iota into 0 mod equal to r. See, this is an equation of a circle with center 1 0. 1 0 is inside the circle. You can check. 1 0 is inside this circle. You can check. 1 0. Suppose 1 0 is here. And radius, we have to keep this minimum. This means that we have to keep this radius minimum. Considering this point as a center, you can draw many circles, but you have to take minimum. So the circle will be like this, touching here, touching point, and to get the value of z naught will be here, because earlier I had said that the point to be considered will be on this circle or outside this circle. So the minimum value, for minimum value, this is the z naught. Suppose this is x naught, y naught. We can get these three lines will be in a straight line. You know that touching point centers, these three lines are on S. These 3 points lie on a straight line. So we can get a relation between x naught and y naught if we use the formula of slope. So this will be y naught x naught minus 1 1 2 minus 1 by minus 1. This gives us x naught minus 1 equal to minus y naught. We will use this relation. Now in the question it is given we have to find the arg of 4 minus z naught minus z naught bar z naught bar plus 2y. Putting the value for z naught, z is here, z naught minus z naught bar will be 2x naught. Similarly here 2y naught plus 2y naught I. Further we can take common 2. In the denominator it is 2 iota. Here will be 2 minus x naught, and here will be y naught plus 1. Using this relation, this will be 1. So here will be 1 by I iota. This can be changed as iota minus iota. So arg of minus iota will be minus pi by 2. So our option will be A.